that organic traffic insights is where it's connected to the Google analytic, and if I go into that, it will bring all the data from Google analytic. You can see it shows it's from Google analytic. It shows the new users. There is something wrong with my Google analytic profile. It's select giving me the old domain, but I need to update it. But this is how the data will look like. It will show the users, new users, sessions, page session, average session duration, bounce rate, and where the location of people are coming here. So you can get the data directly within SEMrush, and by connecting this data to SEMrush, it will also give you insights on couple of other places as well. So that is what organic traffic insights does. Let me show you the next one, which is going to be brand monitoring. When I go into brand monitoring, now I have set up several keywords. So it will show you for that keywords how many mentions it found. For example, you can see I provided digital marketing mind, and exactly it shows where it's founded, and you can see it's highlighting all the different places. It shows the authority of the domain name. It shows when it was found. Depending on the time it found recently, it will show you all the different ones, and you can find all these things. And you can also go into statistic and get the statistics of where my links are there, portions, mention, what kind of estimated reach is their domain traffic. Again, since the domain is very small or low SEO power, you are not seeing much data. But as the campaign grows, or you are doing more powerful SEO for much more powerful SEO domain which has SEO power, then it will make more sense because it will be bringing more relevant data for you. Resources is again where you can track a resource here. For example, I can do that, and I can give an external domain and keep track of that as well. To depending on your need, you can collect that data. And about is basically it's give you an explanation of what it's doing, so you can get in a better idea on what kind of data you can see from this particular functionality tool. So that is what brand monitoring does. And let me go into the next link building tool. Link building tool is where it will try to identify better prospects for your backlink campaigns to reach out and get a backlink for you. And you can see domain prospects, it found this much of prospects from competitors and keywords, and you can see it's still in progress. So I won't be able to show in depth, but let me go into the prospects and show all the different prospects. You can see it shows these are different prospects where they are linking out to my competitors, so I can ideally try to reach out. There is no automation, guys, like one click it's not going to create backlinks, because it does not work that way. It's just going to give you a pointer and say these are the data you need to know, where the rating is there, what you should do. You have to reach out to them. You can see add a comment so for the personal monitor. Then based on that, you go out and reach out and create this particular backlink. You can also see the backlink outreach strategy, because the reason is you can even reach out to backlink from here itself. For example, I'm going to do in progress. I'm going to select that into a progress. I'm going to do this into a progress, and you can see I have selected two backlinks. If I go into in progress, I can start emailing them from here itself. For example, if I go into this, and let's say, for example, this is going to be a guest post request. This is going to be let's say product review. You can also create your own templates as well. Like you can create your own outreach template or customize one of these outreach templates depending on your way of reaching out to them. And depending on them, you can click on contact, and it will automatically find all the different emails it has for this particular person website. So depending on that, you can select and you can write and send a pull email here itself. You can also set up a follow-up email from here. So it makes the whole link building process really easy. So again, if I go back, what will happen is it will also keep track of all the progress of the email. So within this section itself, you can reach out to them. You can add a private comment to them, like contacted, waiting, or something like that. And you know what it's doing and all the reason. And once you gain the backlink, When you click on this done mark, it is going to go into the acquired section of it. Now it will start monitoring all the backlinks. For example, if I go into it, I can see that it already starting to monitor this backlink. It finds shows all the different one. So depending on that, I can do a bit more research as well. So again, it's going to take all the different I can track my, sorry, I missed it. I can track my own backlinks also from here. You can see whatever the link in progress, it didn't find any backlinks, that's why it pushed back into the in progress. But in case if I found anything, it will come back to it. Here I can monitor the validity, or whenever the link goes live or something like that, I can keep track of all the different ones from here. So that is what the link building module does. If I go into the